Let's learn how to use the ProMom NeoPro Smart Wearable Breast Pump. Contents of the box: Pump Hub, 27 mm breast shield, milk collector, diaphragm cap, Uniflow valve, 15 mm insert, 18 mm insert, 21 mm insert, 24 mm insert, dust cover, dust bag, user manual, Type-C charging cable, nipple measuring tool. How to assemble. Before first use, ensure that all pump parts shown above are sterilized. Start by installing the ProMom Uniflow valve into the milk collector. Make sure that the ProMom Uniflow valve is attached firmly. Ensure that the breast shield is evenly aligned with the milk collector, with no overlapping edges or gaps. Apply firm, even pressure around the entire rim to create a complete seal before use. Close the stopper over the milk pouring spout and press firmly to seal. Place the silicone diaphragm onto the diaphragm cap, ensuring it is properly aligned. Gently press around all sides to ensure it is fully seated. Align the suction notch on the diaphragm set with the cutout in the diaphragm chamber of the milk collector. Then press down firmly to securely attach the diaphragm set. Place the pump hub onto the assembled milk collector, aligning the suction notch on the diaphragm set with the pump hub. How to choose the correct flange size. Your ProMom NeoPro includes a nipple measuring tool and offers 5 size options: 27 mm breast shield and 4 flange inserts: 24 mm, 21 mm, 18 mm and 15 mm. To use your preferred flange insert size, place the flange insert inside the 27 mm breast shield. Press firmly around the entire rim with your thumbs to ensure it is securely fitted with no gaps or air leaks. How to start pumping. Start by turning on the breast pump by pressing the power button once. The pump will automatically start in massage mode indicated by the heart icon. Use the plus button to increase and minus button to decrease the suction level to your preferred setting. Massage mode is designed to stimulate milk flow before espressing. Use this mode for 3 to 5 minutes at the beginning of each pumping session. Expression mode. After completing massage mode, press the mode button to switch to the expression mode, indicated by 2 drops icon. Expression mode is designed for efficient milk expression. Use this mode for approximately 8 to 12 minutes or until your breasts feel comfortably emptied. Choose from 12 levels and adjust the suction level to your preferred comfort throughout the session. Depth mode. After completing expression mode, press the mode button again to switch to the depth mode, indicated by the single drop icon. Depth mode is designed for the final stage of your pumping session. It helps encourage the expression of the richer, higher fat milk that is often released toward the end of a feeding or pumping session. Use this mode for 2 to 3 minutes after completing expression mode. The total pumping time is displayed on the right side of the screen and is shown in minutes, allowing you to easily track the duration of your pumping session. During your pumping session, the display will automatically turn off to conserve battery power. The pump will continue operating normally in the background. To pause your pumping session, press the power button once. Press the power button once again to resume pumping. To turn off the breast pump, press and hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds until the pump power off. How to transfer expressed milk. To transfer your expressed milk, gently detach the pump hub from the milk collector. Open the stopper on the milk collector and align the milk pouring spout with a feeding bottle or breast milk storage bag. Gently pour the expressed milk, ensuring that all milk is transferred from the milk collector. Close the stopper on the milk collector, then reattach the pump hub. The breast pump is now ready for use on the other breast.